Hello guys, welcome back to biology. Today we will be looking at diseases of the circulatory system. These are diseases mainly to do with your heart. Let's have a look. So there are three common and serious diseases in the circulatory system. The first one is heart disease. Second one is stroke. And the third one is high blood pressure. Each of these are quite dangerous and can kill you in different ways. Heart disease. So you guys remember that the heart has its own blood supply, right? It always needs a lot of oxygen because it's beating all the time. But it only gets blood through two small arteries called the coronary arteries. For this reason, most heart diseases are caused because blood can't flow through the coronary arteries. What might happen if blood can't flow through there? Well, the heart won't be getting enough nutrients and enough oxygen, and cells will start to die. Atherosclerosis. Atherosclerosis is a type of heart disease. In atherosclerosis, fatty deposits called plaque build up in the artery walls. So these are gooey, fatty deposits that clog the artery. The arteries become stiff and the plaque stops the blood moving through. The plaque can rupture or burst, and this is a big problem. If the plaque ruptures or bursts, it is essentially like a wound or a cut. So we get a blood clot. A blood clot blocks the artery, then the heart muscles will start to die from lack of oxygen, and you will get, boom, a heart attack. So, atherosclerosis is caused by plaque buildup in the artery walls. If the plaque bursts, it causes a blood clot which blocks the artery, and the heart muscles, the cells start to die from the lack of oxygen, and we get a heart attack. Here is a diagram showing this. You can see the plaque building up in the artery walls, and once the plaque ruptures and the blood clot forms, the artery is blocked and a heart attack may happen. What are the symptoms of a heart attack? So the symptoms are generally nausea, which is feeling sick, shortness of breath, chest pain, and also pain in your neck, jaw, or left arm. Why your left arm? Well, it's because your heart is on the left-hand side. So your left arm will feel the effects of the heart attack quicker. All of these symptoms need immediate medical attention. Heart attacks can kill very fast. A stroke is another kind of disease of the circulatory system. What happens in a stroke? Well, in a stroke, the blood supply to the brain is interrupted and brain cells die. How does this happen? Well, a blood clot could form in a blood vessel and block it, or a blood vessel can break and cause bleeding on the brain. These are two different kinds of stroke, but have similar symptoms. Here is a picture showing a blocked blood vessel in the brain and a bleeding blood vessel in the brain. They both cause the brain cells to die in an area. What are the symptoms of a stroke? Well, we have dizziness, headache, a severe headache, not a normal headache, numbness, we have trouble seeing or speaking, paralysis, meaning not able to move, and even death. High blood pressure is the last disease that we're going to look at. So, how is blood pressure measured? When you get your blood pressure from the doctor, there will be two numbers. For example, 140/90. The first number is the blood pressure in an artery when the heart contracts. So this is when the heart goes boom. It's the highest pressure that your blood will reach. The other number is the blood pressure in an artery between contractions. So this is the lowest pressure that your blood reaches. A high blood pressure is 140/90 or bigger. This is called hypertension. Hyper meaning more or on top, and tension being the pressure force. So high blood pressure can lead to a heart attack, a stroke, or kidney damage. So high blood pressure should be treated immediately. Alright guys, I've sent you some questions to do. Please do them for next time, and I'll talk to you in the next class. Bye bye.